Hi. In this video, we will learn to make 4 unique gifting ideas that can be used for any occasion, whether festivals, birthdays, or anniversaries. So let's start with these cute paper handbags. So, I have drawn and cut a circle of 20 centimeters diameter from an A4 size tinted paper. Now fold it into a half and mark on 5 centimeters from both the sides. Take 7 centimeters distance in rounder and mark on the circumference like this. Now fold connecting these markings. Fold from the other side also. Now put this portion inside. Open the circle and stick the surfaces as shown here. For decoration, I'm using this golden pearl stickers, however you can decorate as per your wish. For making it cuter, I'm attaching this satin ribbon bow. You can get the detailed tutorial here. These are 2 centimeters broad strips I have cut from the remaining portion of a 4 size paper, and I have stuck a double-sided tape to it. Let's connect them. So, your cute paper handbag is ready. Isn't it very easy to make? You can gift it on other occasions also, like birthday or anniversary. You can even make it in bulk and give as birthday return gift. Now, we will make these big gift pouches in which you can put lots of chocolates and other gifts as well. Let's take a reasonably thick pattern paper that can be easily folded. Fold it in crossways. Make a triangular shape like this. Fold this corner, and by following this fold, you can fold these two corners like this. Repeat the same on the other side. Now fold these corners downwards. With the help of double-sided tape, stick these folds inside like this. Punch in the center. And your big gift pouch is ready. Insert the narrow ribbon through the punch holes. You can decorate it by attaching a cute bow over here. Our next gifting idea is a lovely pyramid gift pouch without any origami folds. For making it, I'm using thick pattern papers. You can also use two-sided pattern paper. Mark on 2 inches to make 3 equal parts at all sides. Now join these two markings. Repeat the same for all 4 sides. Now join these points to the corner. Like this. Again, repeat the same for all 4 corners. Draw the curves as shown. Now cut this following the curves. I'm making creases on the sides of the triangle with the help of an embossing tool. You can use any semi-sharp tool for this purpose. This step helps in making the folds very smooth. Punch on the corners and start folding on the creases. Bring all four corners together, put your gifts inside and close them by inserting a ribbon through the holes. Your easy and beautiful pyramid pouch is ready. The last idea of gifting is making these comfy pillow pouches. To make these pillows elegant, I'm using foil paper, however you can use any thick pattern paper. Making the crease line on about 1 centimeter using an embossing tool. Fold it and then fold it to the center like this. You may use any jar lid or CD for drawing a big circular line like this. Cut it. Now make inverse creases as shown here. I'm going to stick this flap using double-sided tape. But before that, draw and cut half circles on this side like this. Now fold on the circular creases and then stick the flap to the other side. The circular cut portion will go inside and your gorgeous pillow pouch is ready. You can make it in bulk and can store it by making it flat like this. You can decorate it with ribbons, but it is completely optional. Hope you will enjoy making all these gifting ideas and let me know in the comments which one you liked the most.